Look at those angry clouds back there. We had to stop and get a hotel with all those storms coming through. We are in Oklahoma. You know that's Tornado Alley also. But we had to stop for the night, so we're leaving this morning. But look, got to put my day glasses on, or my night glasses on, take these off. But we put our rain gear on, heading out to another campground. We're going to bunker down for tonight and tomorrow. Another storm will be coming in tomorrow. And from there, I think we're staying 4 days there, still here in Oklahoma.
Yeah, we need some reliable weathermen.
I know.
Weather person, weather woman, whatever you want to call it.
Right.
Can we get some reliable ones out here that really know?
Look, even on a computer, when we watch the radar, it's not supposed to be here. But, hey, it's the life we choose to live.
Mother Nature? Who knows Mother Nature?
Mother.
But her. Can somebody talk to her? Or somebody that's 6'2" reach up and turn the water faucet off, please?
But this is the life we choose to live. We absolutely love it, but we're about to put our rain gear on just in case.
And so all of you that are traveling,
let you clear your throat.
Oh,
go ahead.
To all of you that are traveling in this bad weather, be careful, ride safe, but have fun. Don't let the rain stop you.
Right.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, we'll see y'all at the campground when we get there. We are in Sulphur, Oklahoma, where our next campground was only a 100-mile ride. Last night we had to get a room because of the storms. This is our fourth time coming to this campground. Obviously we like it. A big sign said Lake and Campground, keep going. And this time we are in Site 8-4 on the C Loop. And unfortunately it's a paid campground, but we love this campground. Oh yeah, this is nicer. Check us out, that's the recreation area. Buckhorn area, which is the name of the campground. There are 4 loops, A, B, C, and D. A and B, from what I understand, is they open only on holiday weekends or something like that. Turn into C and D. And we are in C84. Yes, loop C. Well, they got people in D this time. There ain't nothing behind me. It's like 47 to 88. Got somebody hiking up to our left. Now, loop 50, what was our favorite one that time we came in? 50 something, I don't remember. That's our favorite one right there. What number is that? And we wake up to that lake right there. How you doing? Young man out there fishing. He waved. Yeah, 56, that's our favorite site. Camp host to my right. Passing the shower. The shower was beautiful, nice and hot. Hope they're working this time. And it's with a parking spot for the showers. There's another walk-in spot, campsite 75, and what's in the back? 74 is in the back. 84 on our right. Let me check. You know what? Probably just better the back end. Let me check to make sure we got 84 before we pull in there, because the last thing I seen was 84. Okay, loop C 84. Yeah, standard electric. All right, I'm just gonna back in instead of pulling it forward, because I mean I could still turn around, but they got a stop right there. Go forward so I can get in. Yep. All right. Reversed. Drop my glove. Let's kick it out the way. Go forward a little bit more because it wasn't on the angle I wanted. There we go. All right. Got that turn. Working like a pro. Working like a pro. In case you didn't know. All right, turn thing. I'm all working like a pro. Still don't want to turn. Not cooperating. There we go. There we go. Doing it till I'm satisfied. Yeah, yeah. Still don't know about that. I'm going to drive some trucks. You just got to come straight back and you all good. Don't turn in your handlebars or nothing. Just straight back. Huh? Okay, as long as you're out the street, you're fine. Okay. You cool. Okay. Look like somebody just left here this morning. We need to sweep. Make sure the water on. Water running. Have our electricity. Our living area. This is what I like about these. They have the circle bricks. Nice and solid. Table which is movable. Lantern hook. Fire pit. I hope they put the fire out. Yep. Nothing behind us. Now, only thing I'm not crazy over, babe, is they living area looks right into ours, and ours look right into theirs. But it's all good. We were just told that a tornado is heading this way. We're here in Oklahoma, and told us to tie everything down. But Cake and I, we actually shutting it down, putting everything down in. And they said that the restrooms out here at the campground are extremely safe. We never been in a situation like this before, so we actually had to calm ourselves down from panic mode and just put everything up. So we packing everything in patches, tying it down. We're just breaking everything down. Not worried about packing neat or anything. So I don't make this long video, just let everybody know what's going on here in our lives. We are sitting here waiting for, from what we told was a mild tornado, and then a second was supposed to be coming later on this evening.
Yes.
Waiting for it to come before we go to the restroom, which is a shelter. And what just happened?
One of our camp neighbors came over and invited us into their camper if the hail starts. She said if any hail come, because she said the tent is not good for hail.
Right.
So we're going to see patches hold up. If not, we have the choice to go to inside their camper,
Yeah, they
or
have a big
inside
one.
the restrooms.
Yeah.
So,
But most likely we're going to be already at the restroom. And if the tornado come or if hail come, we probably just stay at the restroom.
right.
But it was so beautiful and nice of them to come over here and invite us inside their camper. Now, that's one of the reasons we love camping.
Wonderful people camps.
Yes. Anyway, we just wanted to add that on. He see me. He stopped. He stopped because he see me. He frozen like I don't see him. Yeah, we see you. still see you. I still see you. Not the biggest raccoon I've seen, but keep looking back. I'm still here. Dude. Trying to hide behind a rock now. You're going under these people think. Making our way to the restroom. Sound like this tornado or storm about to come through. We could deal with the rain. We've been in many storms, but never a tornado.
They say tornado and baseball size hail.
We say, hell no.
Hell to the no.
Hell no. We stayed at no 10.
Let's see.
Yeah, so far, just rain, not a lot of wind. We haven't seen any twisters or anything. Had some pea-sized hail come down. Never got to the golf ball size, but there's some, probably camera I can pick it up still on the walkway right here. If it get worse, we're just going to the inside. Right now, we're just under the shelter part of a restroom. Kate said that the campground host said this is category 4, so we should be okay. Our bikes are back at the campsite, tied down. Hopefully we got bikes when we get back. But so far, no twisters or anything coming. Just probably the remnants of the edge of the tornado. I don't know. Outside of that, we good. That should go right there. Hey, baby. But this is no different than rain we've ridden in before. And normally we would stop if it starts thundering, but we ridden it. What was it, hail? When we was in Utah? Where we got that hail we had to pull over without our rain gear in Utah? Where they had hail? Yeah. That's the only place we've ridden in hail, but as soon as it started hailing, we pulled over immediately. So I guess you can't say we've ridden in hail before. I was talking to Patty.
To whom?
Patty.
Patty.
Patty. Hi, Patty. I'm Kate.
Okay. You know her name. You met her already.
Remember Carolyn? Yes.
I have a brother.
You go there.
I got a brother live in Florida. One of them. What's his name?
Don.
That's him. The other brother live in Florida. What's his name?
What's your name?
Patrick.
No, not Patrick. Larry.
Larry. Okay.
Larry.
Don.
You don't stand in here.
What's your name?
I'm Kate. Like cake
I
and
got a
ice
brother
cream.
named Kate.
There you go.
Suzanne.
Suzanne. Susan.
That's a different accent I have. Jerry.
Jerry.
Yeah, I was gonna say North Carolina, ballhead Jerry.
Oh, okay.
See, I got something because he's kind of like a brother, but not really.
You get a B.
A B.
Yeah, you got
A B plus. Come on now.
A B.